Hello again, I'm Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the SilverStone Treasure Series TS01 2.5 inch hard drive enclosure. What's included is the user's manual, 2 USB cables, one short and one long, a screwdriver, 2 RFID keys, a leather pouch, and the enclosure. So what's RFID? RFID, or radio frequency identification, is an automatic identification technology which stores and remotely receives data using devices called RFID tags. RFID tags usually have two parts. One is an integrated circuit, and in this case it's the INMAX IM7206 chipset. The second is an antenna. So with this enclosure, the RFID keys unlock the enclosure so the data can be read. Please be aware that if these RFID keys are lost, no replacement keys are available. This external enclosure is all aluminum, weighs 85 grams, supports a 2.5 inch serial ATA hard drive, is compatible with USB 2 and supports all current operating systems, including the Mac operating systems, but does not support Windows 98 SE, Windows ME, and previous versions. Also note that the power requirement is 5 volts, but remember, no power adapter is included. Thankfully, most USB 2 ports will not have a problem powering this enclosure with the hard drive installed. This enclosure is compact but well constructed, so it's very, very sturdy. Here's the status LED, USB 2 ports, and here's where the optional power adapter would get connected. Installing a 2.5 inch serial ATA hard drive is very easy. First, remove the top part of the enclosure. Now carefully slip the hard drive into it and slide it into the enclosure. Secure the hard drive into place and connect it into the computer's USB port using the included USB cable. Now place the RFID keys on the sensor, then partition and format the drive like normal. Please note that in order to encrypt the data stored on the hard drive, you'll need to delete all partitions on the hard drive first. So you can't install a hard drive that's full of existing data and use the RFID function. This is a great looking, well constructed, very sturdy hard drive enclosure. Now there are many 2.5 inch hard drive enclosures on the market, but very few have the RFID technology. It's a very simple, easy to use technology, and it works. For example, if you take this hard drive that's encrypted from this enclosure and put it into another enclosure thinking you're going to be able to read the data, you won't. It will show up as a blank drive. I also like the fact that it's very fast. USB 2 on this drive is extremely fast and good to see. I would have liked to see an external serial ATA port on this, but overall, it's a kick-ass product. Until next time, take care.